Hey, how's it going? It's your boy Ollie here. I hope you're having a wonderful day. For those of you that have come onto this channel for the very first time, a very warm welcome to you. And for those of you that have already subscribed and already following me, welcome back. So I thought I'd shoot across this quick video, really just to share an experience of mine. So yesterday, I basically was going through my bills, and one of the bills that I was looking at was my mobile bill. And when I looked at the total owed, I thought, hold on a second, that doesn't look right. I was actually paying £30 more than what I normally pay every month. So that looked kind of fishy, and I didn't really understand where that charge came from. So after looking at my itemized bill, I saw a list of calls that were being made that were getting charged £2.99 each time, and there was about a dozen of these calls made last month and also the previous month, and I thought, no, I did not make these calls. So I thought, you know something, I'm going to give them a call and find out what these calls are about. So I gave my provider a call, explained the situation, and they, to be fair, they didn't understand what this number was, where it came from, or how it was even made. But to cut a long story short, they understood my concern, and as a goodwill gesture, they were going to reimburse me for all those charges made to those calls. What they also did as an additional measure is bar that number. So if that number was ever attempted to be called back, it would be barred, which I don't mind because I don't even know what that number is. So they did that, and they reimbursed me for those charges, which was great news. Also, I noticed, like I said, that there was £1 I was getting charged extra every month as well. Now, it was happening for a good 5 months, and to be fair, I didn't query it. I just thought, they probably put their prices up. So I just left it. But as I was already on the phone to them, I thought I'd query it. Good thing I freaking did, because it turns out that what happened is that they had a promotion for some type of mobile protection software. Now they said that they give it free for a month and then they charge you. And I thought, hold on a second. First off, I wasn't notified. Now I may have been notified because they keep sending you these random texts, and I just kind of ignore them. So that quite possibly that was probably one of the texts telling me that there's this free trial of this mobile protection software. Try it out for free. But the kicker is that after that month had expired, they started charging you. And I thought, hold on a second, I didn't opt in for that. So again, I said, no, I don't want this software. I did agree to this software. And again, they reimbursed me for those charges as well. And that was about 4 or 5 months worth. So all in all, just after making this call, they reimbursed me just under £50. Not bad for a 10-minute conversation. So I thought I'd just share this experience with you guys, because for those of you that follow me will know that I'm all about trying to earn money and generate money online. At the moment, I've set myself this massive task of trying to generate 3K in just 31 days. Now I'm not going to include this because I did make this money, but it's not I'm not going to put it as part of my challenge. I think that would be, it just wouldn't be right. But I thought I'd put out this video and share this experience with you guys, because I thought some of you might find this useful. And the moral that I wanted to part with you guys is that if you do notice any strange charges on your bill, no matter how small, always query it. I didn't. I only queried it because I thought, hold on a second, £30 is quite significant. But the pound that I was getting overcharged every month, I didn't query it. But potentially that was about £7 that I could have been just thrown away, and I could have continued throwing that away every month if I hadn't queried it. So yeah, it's probably worthwhile. It is a phone call, and I know it can be annoying trying to get through to a call center, be it your utility bill, your mobile bill, or anything, insurance. But always query it, because you could be potentially burning money and you don't even know it. Anyway guys, I thought I'd shoot across that quick video like I said. If you did like this video, then please make sure you leave a comment down below. Share some experiences that are kind of similar to this one. It's always worth sharing. If you like the video, also don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to be kept informed of my journey and my 3K in 31 days challenge, then make sure you hit that bell icon, that little notifications button, so that every time I do put a video out there, you will be notified. Anyway guys, I'm going to leave it there. I hope you continue having a great day, and I look forward to speaking to you on my next video. Stay blessed.